Okay, so we're gonna go in today. We're gonna make a non-traditional Greek salad. So it is some changes that I made, and I'll let you know as I go ahead. And I'm gonna start with this green leaf lettuce, which is non-traditional. Your traditional Greek salad wouldn't have lettuce in it. Just, you know, we put our own little twist on it, which is kind of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lettuce in for my bed. All of these are traditional ingredients: the red onion, the tomatoes, and the olives. And it should be cucumbers, but I did have some cucumbers, and when I looked at them, I just bought them yesterday. They weren't any good today. I should have took them back to the store, but I've been to the store twice today, and I don't feel like going back. So we're going to have to just ride on without it today because I'm just not going back to the store. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and take our tomatoes, and we're going to go ahead and line it. Line it real pretty. Just like so. Next, we're going to go in with our red onions. I'm going to go ahead with our black olives. And these eggs, they are non-traditional. So if you're trying to make a traditional Greek salad, don't use these eggs. It's just a preference of mine. So we're going to have eggs. So we won't put those on there. I'll eat those by itself. The next traditional ingredient is going to be feta cheese. And the brand I have, well, the kind I have is the Mediterranean herb. I think it's more flavorful. And if you're not really used to feta cheese, go easy with it because it's very strong. And feta cheese is kind of one of those things like cilantro. Either you love it or you hate it. It's like really not an in-between. So taste you a couple of pieces of it if you never had it before you put it on your salad. And a little bit go a long way. And I'm just going to go in with my little salt and pepper mixture. Okay, so this is what you use as your dressing. But I'm not going to eat this salad right now at this moment, so I don't want to sog it down with these two ingredients. But when you get ready to eat it, you use vinegar and oil as your dressing. So I just wanted to show you quickly how to make a Greek salad. So please try this recipe out. Let me know what you think about it. Please tell your friends and family and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much.